Another straight line problem here. We've got a relationship here that Simone can purchase stocks from either company A or company B, depending presumably on how much money she wants to invest in those companies. Which equation represents the situation best? Well, as the relationship is a straight line, we've got to fill in the blanks of y equals mx plus c. Straight away, I can say that c is equal to 40, the y-intercept. Now, what about the gradient? It's going to be negative because we've got a falling line. Our rise is 40, or a negative rise, and our run 60. And this cancels down to negative 2 over 3. So we've got our equation effectively. Y is equal to negative 2 over 3 x plus 40. It doesn't look like anything here. First thing to note is no denominators, so I'm going to multiply through by 3. Here we've got to work towards the answer. Clearly A and C are out of it. But if I multiply our equation by 4, I will get up to 480. So let's try that. So I get multiplying all of these terms by 4. So therefore 12y is equal to negative 8x plus 480. And you can see if I put the 8x on the other side, so therefore 8x plus 12y is equal to 480. I think that's a rather unnecessary bit of maths, but we've now found that the correct answer is answer B.